Bennie Master's lecture, Right View of Cause and Condition, Entering the Unstained Realm. Dear Dharma friends, the myriad phenomena of the world are like a painting, woven with joy and sorrow. Have you ever considered how to uproot samsara and step toward liberation? Today, guided by the profound truths of the Upsaka Precept Sutra and Shurangama Sutra, we explore how to precisely grasp cause and condition, solidify right view with the 4 preliminary practices, sever the viruses of affliction, and enter the unstained realm. Let us together realize this pure Dharma gate. Cause, condition, and effect, the formula of practice. All phenomena arise from cause and condition. Only by mastering these can we yield corresponding effects. This is the formula of practice. The first step in Buddhist cultivation is dedicating merits and making vows, planting the right cause, and employing the fruits of the 4 preliminary practices. These 4 wondrous stages are like this: the warmth stage, akin to drilling wood for fire before it ignites; the summit stage, like climbing halfway up a mountain with obstacles below; the patient stage, where the mind nears the Buddhas, enduring without wavering; and the foremost in the world stage, where delusion and awakening dissolve, reaching the peak. Achievements vary by the quality of these practices, like cooking, lighting the fire, heating the pot, resisting hunger, and serving the dish, all linked step by step. The ever-present spirit. Abiding in truth without wavering. The true, silent spirit is ever present. We need only stay with it. Fear of losing it stems from insufficient aspiration, but with liberation as the sole, unwavering goal, success is certain. This is the divine power of aspiration, one of the 4 divine abodes. A single arising of mind forms a ripple. A good intention as cause brings effects per conditions. The Upasaka Precept Sutra states, "Good men, all tracing and painting, arises from the supremely pure spirit, generating everything. The mind, repeatedly imprinted, paints afflictions into consciousness. Relying on afflictions, it paints karma. Karma then paints the body. Greed paints a pursuit of sounds and colors. Anger paints roughness and violence. Ignorance does the same. The world, the 136 hells, countless beasts, and hungry ghosts, all are painted by karma. So too are the human and heavenly realms, and the liberation of countless beings. 4 types of karma: black, white, mixed, and unstained. Karmic consciousness forms DNA in the womb, revealing rewards and retributions until death. The Upsaka Precept Sutra describes 4 karmas. Black karma with black retribution leads to hell. White karma with white retribution ascends to the form realm. Mixed karma with mixed retribution spans the desire realm, humans, beasts, and ghosts. Unstained karma, neither black nor white, bears no retribution. The unstained is free of attachment. Though actions occur, like an arhat commanding a river god to halt the flow, they remain untainted. Without understanding cause and condition, even reaching the neither perception nor non-perception realm, after 80,000 eons of blessings, one falls to the 3 evil paths. Without firm right view, samsara persists endlessly. Afflictive viruses. Greed, anger, ignorance, pride, and doubt. Afflictions are like viral programs. Greed, anger, ignorance, pride, and doubt disrupt the mind. At birth, one dislikes sour, sweet, bitter, and salty, but through repeated exposure, habits form. Quantity shifts to quality, birthing greed. Thwarted greed sparks anger. Seeking respect breeds pride, and suspicion fuels doubt. These 5 poisons run in consciousness, chaotic and uncontrollable, leading all to seek good yet reap suffering. Abandoning greed yields sublime fruits, immediately ending ailments from overeating, freeing time and energy for study, career, and family. Repeated verification strengthens right view. Seeing beings controlled by these viruses, we should feel compassion and vow to heal the 3 obstacles of afflictions, karma, and retribution. 3 essentials of fixed karma: root, means, and completion. Fixed karma requires complete conditions: root, means, and completion. A good intention is the root, helping others the means, and joy the completion. Together, they form pure, fixed good karma. Actions without intention or conscious awareness lack the root of good or evil, thus becoming unstained. The 4 preliminary practices solidify right view, sever these viruses, and lead to this state. Conclusion: discerning cause and condition, illuminating the spirit universally. Dear friends, cause and condition weave the tapestry of illusory effects. Through the 4 preliminary practices, we plant vows as right causes, discern cause and condition, cut off the 5 poisons, and the spirit shines forth, realizing the unstained. May we follow the true teachings of the Upsaka Precept Sutra and Shurangama Sutra, abide in truth, enter liberation, and perfect the wondrous function of the Buddha's fruit. May all enter the cool, clear realm of the Dharma together.